Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Urdu Lounge with Shahid Wafa. In this video, we'll learn the basics of the Urdu language, the alphabet, which is called Huruf-e-Tahajji in Urdu. Urdu has a total of 39 letters. Today, we'll cover the first 8 letters from Alif to Chay. You will learn how they look, how they sound, and some simple examples. Let's begin. The first letter of the Urdu alphabet is Alif. The opening sound of Alif is like the A in father. Alif. Alif. To write the Urdu letter Alif, just draw a straight vertical line from top to bottom like a standing stick. This is Bay, the second letter of the Urdu alphabet. It sounds like the English letter B, like B for bat. It is called bay just like the English word bay, as in a bay of water. To draw the Urdu letter bay, make a small shallow curve like a smile, then place one dot directly underneath the curve. This is pay, the third letter. It sounds like the English letter P, P for pen. It is called pay like the English word pay, as in to pay money. To draw the Urdu letter pay, start with a small shallow curve like a smile, as you did while writing bay. But here in pay, you have to add 3 dots directly underneath the curve. This is Ttay, the fourth letter in the Urdu alphabet. It sounds a bit like the English letter T, like T for top, but it is softer and lighter, more like the T in the word latte. To draw the letter Ttay, draw a small curved line like the top of a watermelon slice. Then add 2 dots above the curve side by side. When you say Ttay, it rhymes with day. This is Ttay, the fifth letter in the Urdu alphabet. It is called Ttay with a strong, hard T sound like in Tom. To write the letter Ttay, draw a small curved line like the shape of a saucer. Then add this tiny symbol above the curve. This is Say, the fifth letter. It sounds like the English letter S, like S for sun. It is called say like the English word say, as in to say something. While writing this letter, draw same bowl shape with 3 dots above. This is Jeem, the seventh letter of the Urdu alphabet. It rhymes with dream. And it sounds like the English letter J, like J for jug. To write the letter Jeem, draw a curved shape like a hook, then add 1 dot inside the curve. This is Chay, the eighth letter of the Urdu alphabet. It sounds like the English letters CH, ch, like ch, ch for chair. To write the letter Chay, start the same way as Jeem with a hook-like curve, then add 3 dots inside the curve. Now you know the first 8 letters of the Urdu alphabet from Alif to Chay. In the next video, we'll learn the next set of letters. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep learning Urdu with Urdu Lounge with Shahid Wafa. Khuda Hafiz.